Alright guys, I am out today, but I wanted to give you directions on how to complete the 3 activities I left for you today. So the first thing I'm going to review is activity 7 and activity 8. Alright, of course, please log into iAcademy. Alright, if iAcademy.com, all the information is on the page for you to log in. If Google Classroom is down, you won't be able to see this, but a quick shortcut for you to be able to get to your Google Sheets is to simply go to the apps and go to Google Sheets, and it will be there. All right. You do not have to go into Google Classroom to complete the assignments. So if you're at home, you don't have to necessarily log into Google Classroom, but all of your assignments will be here. All of your Google Sheets will be there for you to see. All right. I have mine on the right side of the screen, and the goal for this assignment is to make a pie graph. All right. All of the directions are there, and this is just about what you should see. Okay. Once you follow the directions, you should see a little something like this. The key to this is that we want to make sure that at the end of this activity that your budget follows the following rules. So each category must have a dollar value that is no less than 5%. So if you take a look at mine, that is correct. And the budget total must be $750. Now, the cool thing about using a formula in Google Sheets is that if I change something, okay, I automatically will see the change here, but I'll also see it there. See that? So it's really important for you to learn how to use formulas because those help you to make editable graphs, and of course run a total. All right. Activity 8 is called Design a Spending Plan Worksheet, okay? All your directions are here, but it's going to be important for you to follow directions very closely. I would strongly suggest you use a split screen for this, but go ahead and click Begin Activity 8 and About the Spending Plan. So the spending plan is basically a way for you to track your money as you plan to spend it. This is what your final paper should look like. All right. And it's important for you to follow the steps because as you move through and you start to input information, these categories, these columns are formulas. So if you click on here, you'll see the formula. Okay. You don't want to just type in numbers because then it won't make any sense. So watch this. If I type in that I'm buying jeans at, let's see, Target, and they cost $30, then this spreadsheet will automatically calculate my tax and then a total. So let's just add a little something else. So I'll also buy a shirt from Target, and it's going to be $17. See that? So my grand total changes along with the total for each individual item. It is extremely important for you to type in formulas. If your numbers don't change like that, you've done something wrong. You can simply click on the cell and you can see the formula appear here. Good luck. And for this tax column, make sure that you use 7.5% for sales tax. Just sneak that in before you leave. I don't want to see anything else besides 7.5% sales tax.